Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Porsche Cayenne key battery. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You'll need a fresh CR 2032 coin cell battery, which is commonly available, and a small flathead screwdriver. Having a clean, well-lit area will make this task much easier and help prevent any fumbling. This quick and easy process will have your key fob working like new in just a few minutes. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by sliding the small release button on the side of your key and pulling out the mechanical key blade. This reveals a small slot or indentation where the key blade usually sits. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist or prying motion, the two halves of the key fob casing should separate, revealing the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note or even a picture of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side, marked with a plus sign. Gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery from its holder. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and carefully insert it, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. Almost done, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely reattached. Finally, slide the mechanical key blade back into its slot until it locks into place. Your Porsche Cayenne key fob should now be fully functional with a fresh battery. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.